What's good? It's your boy Dr. Wick, here to give you some good advice. Now let's get into this. Okay, Scott from Woodbury Heights says, Dr. Wick, what is the worst STD? Well, Scott, AIDS. If you catch that, you might as well just go on the highway and get hit by the biggest vehicle that you see. In other words, you're completely fucked. STDs ain't always bad though. You know, say if you're chilling with your boys, and they're like, yeah, Scott, you don't get no pussy. And you could just pull out your junk, you know what I'm saying, if you got herpes or something. Not on the homo shit, but just prove that you've been inside of the axe wound at least one time, you know what I'm saying? Axe wound. That's like another word I use for pussy. You know, if you look at that shit, it looks like a warrior from like the 1300s just hit a bitch between the legs and created the vagina. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I don't mind dating bitches that have STDs. You know, I think it's pretty cool. That just shows that they're whores, easy, and they got experience when it comes to getting their backs blown out. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be dating no bitch that's fucking eats popcorn all day and watches fucking Gilmore Girls. You know? That shit's whack as fuck. So yeah, AIDS. Don't want to catch that shit. Other than that, it's pretty cool to get an STD. Okay, if you want any more advice, just leave a comment or make a video. Ask Dr. Wick. I got the answers. I'm out. Deuces.